Them don't arrest one housewife and her teenage daughter plus the man because of say wetin them torture their stepchildren. I will call them the mama and the pikin join hands together torture her stepchildren. This thing they talk say happen inside Bauchi. Say the Bauchi police now arrest this woman, the daughter will be 18 years old, and the husband because of maltreatment of these two children. And they talk say the organization wey see all this thing, their name now Syndicate in Supporting Women and Children Initiative, Siwachi. And them see all these kind of things. Oh, say the pikin where their name now Abubakar Yakubu, this one a 5 years old boy, and Sumiya Yakubu, this one a 3 years old girl. Say these children, their mama, I don't know where the mama go, say they divorced and there the mama leave these children. And because of this whole thing, say the stepmother, the kind of things where the stepmother do to them, these children, it's even, if not even see them, it go shock on them. Making us see people children as they be. See kwashoko don't enter inside people children. All because of say, this woman know they give them these children food. How person go wicked like this? Like, you go just say they reason bad things. Some mothers, I know they understand how they do this kind of thing. And as the matter be, they talk say, this them children, biological mama and their papa, they don't divorce. So the mama don't find her square root come out. So these children now, they're in the custody of this second wife. Now there, this second wife, they start to maltreat the children. She don't even give them food, beat them, do anything. Say even the 18 years old daughter, they say if this 3 years old pikin, if she shit, they go talk say, make this 3 years old pikin wash her pom by herself. And if she no fit do this kind of thing, they go carry stick, put inside fire. They use and they beat this girl for back. They see the stage of wickedness for human being body. Person go just sit down. They reason this kind of thing. Say the only way to maltreat pikin na to carry fire. They beat the pikin. This pikin never reach 5. She never even reach. If she don't even reach 10, we go say this girl don't grow small. 3 years old pikin and 5 years old pikin. Now they do this kind of thing for. And she, her pikin will be 18 years old pikin. She no do anything. See this kind of fine woman. If they tell you say this kind of woman go do this kind of thing, who go believe? But as the matter be, the mama will be Habiba, Sani, Khalid, come and say they cry, say, they do this kind of thing for her pikin. I beg where you dey? Because if you dey check up on your children, we go know say, you self go know say something they worry your pikin. You go know say they take care of your pikin. I sure see you self, you just leave them these children since when? Because for this one to be 18 years, it means say you don't leave them these children. Hey, go. You don't go marry another person, leave them. If not say this kind of matter can't happen now, you go talk say you self no here, say this one happen. See as the in fact, people where they marry, if you want come out for your marriage, I beg carry your pikin. Because not everybody, how you think say your rival go they take care of your pikin? Yeah, some people get good heart to they fit take care of your pikin, but some people self their heart, devil don't mix them with otapia. Now wickedness, now full inside. They know they raising good things at all. For person to not sit down and go they think but even the 18 years old daughter, her own self they her body. 18 years old, you don't do this kind of bad thing. That means by the time when you marry, get your own children. If another person pikin come they work for you, that means you go even kill the pikin. You go kill her because this one I trust in your mama and your papa. But the whole thing now, the papa no they even complain. They say as everything they happen, the papa they know everything when they happen. You were born in these children, you don't see anything bad with what this your wife they do to these children. You can't feel and say this is what they do, is good. Now wow, people they wicked, people they heartless. For you to they think all this kind of in me say from the beginning, say you don't even love these children. You don't even love the wife. Talk less of say you won't come do all this thing. And I'm sure say these children say now this man get them. Because for man to they agree making wife they do all this kind of thing to these children. He means say himself they get out say no being born than these children. Because if they ain't born them, he no go let this kind of thing happen to them the children. Where kwashoko them see the pikin belly, see their head, see as they be. They don't be a person who say sickness don't even enter their body. You sure say apart from the feeding, I sure say another thing they happen to them these children. I sure say another thing they wrong with them these children. No be only this kind of thing. Woman when they go into divorce, collect your pikin, make sure say you fight. Go government, carry them, go law. Anyway, we won't carry them, go. Make sure say you fight, collect your pikin. Because the rate I treat people, they maltreat people, children, you know even if they're on the right side. Now then you can't decide, say, but me I sure say this woman, they're supposed to even arrest herself, join. The mama. Because if they check up on your children, make I say weekly, you go know say, kwashoko dey your pikin children body. You go know say they need to take care of your children. At least you go know say, okay, my pikin need this thing, make I they send food stuff every week. Make I they do this one every week. You said go sit down, brekete, relax. You don't even bother saying your children dey. Maybe because where you said you don't go born, you don't enjoy. Can't leave your pikin for this and make they suffer. You don't see them. You don't say they don't turn your pikin to. Now where you call they cry. What you want make they do? Last I sure say fine, no, they go arrest these people. But the mama said they suppose hold she self join. They suppose put herself inside because she said they are at fault, big fault. If you no leave your children, all this kind of thing no go happen. If say your papa even fight, say you no go carry them go court. Because all these nuts people, I don't know, be and I know they too they educated, so they know say all these kind of things, una get right to some certain point. Una fit go court, go report, okay, oh, my husband they do like this to my children, I won't carry my children. If they see the fault, if they say yes, this man they do this kind of thing, they go give you your pikin. So I don't know why you go come sit down. If say no be people come outside now. If say no be neighbors and people go report to them this institution, be this organization. Now so you say go there say you don't know. You don't know. See mama. See person they call mama, you go say you don't know. You don't even know about the welfare of your children and you dey okay. My people, things they really happen. Things they happen inside this Nigeria every day. New news. Anyway, I see they hot. Now so we say go they bring and come for now. Anything when I feel about this whole matter, making I not forget to write them inside the comment section. Making I not forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. I will see you now for the next video.